A very happy and cheerful morning to all my little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying at your home but also studying. So, are you ready for your English class? So, we had started with the textual grammar portion and today we will continue with the poem 2, A Smile, the grammar part. So, take out your textbook and be ready with me with the exercise A. See children, exercise A is about complete sentences. In grammar, you all have studied the chapter about sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. You remember those group of words जो साथ में आके एक complete sense बनाते हैं. That means which make some sense. And also the rule of sentence is that it always begins with a capital letter. So, let us see our exercise A. Make a smiley in front of the group of words that are sentences. See, you are given 5 sentences and what you have to do? You have to make a smiley of the group of words that are complete sentences. See, read the first one, an ant. Is it starting with capital? No, means here only you should understand that it is not a sentence. But an ant, does it make any sense? What is an ant doing? What is she playing? Nothing. So, this is incomplete. So, we will not make a smiley here. Second, a boy is flying a kite. A boy is flying a kite. So, starts with capital and ends with full stop. Also, this sentence is making some sense. You are understanding what the boy is doing? Flying a kite. So, this is a complete sentence. So, you will put a smiley here. Good work, my dear kids. Then, I have 3. See, one rule is satisfied that it is starting with the capital letter. But इस sentence का कुछ मतलब है? I have 3. What 3 balls, 3 pens, anything is mentioned? No. So, we will not put a smiley here. Then, an ant carrying, again starting with the small letter and it is having no full stop, no sense. An ant carrying what? What is she carrying? So, we will not put a smiley here. Last, I have 3 new pencils. I have 3 new pencils. This statement, इसका कुछ मीनिंग भी बन रहा है? Yes. Starting with the capital, ending with a full stop. So, it is a complete sentence. So, you will drag the smiley and put it here. Smile. So, you have completed this exercise. See children, now we will do exercise B. That is match. So, to match, tap the play button with me. The sun. See, you have to match the columns to make meaningful sentences. अभी आपको खुद को sentence बनाने हैं. The sun. See, find out the correct answer. What is sun? The sun rises in the east. So, you will match this with this option. So, the sentence becomes the sun rises in the east. Second, the teacher. What is teacher doing? The teacher, see, read each and every sentence. The teacher caught the thief. The teacher teaches the students. This is correct. So, what is teacher doing? She is teaching the students. So, you will match this. Good work. Trisha. Trisha, who is Trisha? Let us find out. Trisha is a good girl because it is a name of a girl. So, you have to find the option which is suitable. See, good work. Ram. Who is Ram? Find out. Ram caught the thief. Ram love my country. Ram is flying a kite. Which is the complete suitable sentence? आपको जो ऐसा लग रहा है ये sentence complete है और sense बना रहा है. So, Ram is flying a kite. Good work. The policeman. Policeman क्या करते हैं? He caught the thief, that means उन्होंने चोर को पकड़ा. So you will match the policeman caught the thief. Children, thief is chor. Okay, good work. Now last, I love my country. We all love our country, right? So I love my country. So I hope you understood this, and now this two are your homework. So you have to do both this exercise in your textbook itself. So page number 16, exercise A and exercise B is your homework, children. Which exercise? A and B. You have to do it in your textbook itself. Very simple and short. Okay, now in the next video lesson we will continue further. Till then, take care. God bless you.